Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send an Xbox message from your Windows 10 or 11 PC. And to do this, we'll need to utilize the Xbox app or the game bar. And this should already be installed on your computer because it comes default with Windows now. So locate Xbox app, go to the search icon and type in Xbox. And then you should already be signed in with a Microsoft account. Just make sure it's the correct one. And then go on over to chats right here. And you can start a new chat. Now you may already have messages in here. Otherwise, you can choose a friend, and then you can right click on it, and you can go to invite to party. You can join a party, join game, etc. Otherwise, open their profile. And then you can see their profile under here, and there should be an option to send message. Just go ahead and send that person a message. And then we can scroll on down and see all the games they're playing. Now, another thing that you can do is open up the game bar. So press the Windows button G at the same time. And this will open up the game bar, or go back to search, type in the game space bar. And this will essentially be the same thing, just a different way that you can go ahead and do it. So you can go to chats, or you can go to a person's name and right click on it. And then you can go to party, game. Otherwise, you can go to open chat right there. And then you can send that person a message through your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.